If you create content for Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, you already know the struggle. You shoot one great photo or video, and suddenly you need 6 different versions of it. Different sizes, different crops, different formats. It eats up your time every single week. What if you never had to do that manually again? Meet Picsart's Resize Pro, an AI agent that does all of it for you automatically. You share a folder, tell it what you need, and it handles the rest. No cropping tools, no export menus, no repetitive work. Let me show you exactly how it works.
First, what even is an AI agent? Think of it as a smart assistant built directly into Picsart. You give it a goal, and it handles every step to get there. From the Picsart homepage, you'll see a new tab on the left called AI Agents. Click it, you'll see all the available agents right now. Right here is where you'll find Resize Pro Agent. Let me show you actually how easy it is to use. Head to your projects folder and open the folder you want to work with. For today's example, I'm using a batch of assets for Tadema, a Japanese-American cafe brand. We've got social media posts, product photography, and a video. I want to launch an ad campaign across Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and I need everything in the right aspect ratios. The folder description is where we prompt the AI agent what it should do. I literally type, I want to launch an ad campaign across Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, exactly like that, and hit save. Now here's where the magic happens. Click the share button. A menu will pop up and you'll see Resize Pro suggested right there as an AI agent, just like inviting a real person to collaborate. Select Resize Pro and grant it edit access to your folder. That's it. The agent immediately gets to work in the background. It reads your folder description as a prompt, identifies every file, and starts generating platform-specific variants with content-aware cropping. Give it a moment, and a brand new subfolder appears with your results. And look at these. Every image is perfectly sized for every platform. The best part is that even the video got resized perfectly. And it doesn't stop there. Resize Pro stays active in the background. Every time you upload a new image or video into that folder, it automatically processes it and delivers the resized versions into the same subfolder. Your workflow just got permanent automation built into it. When you're finished or want to pause it, just click the share button again and select remove. That will immediately stop the agent, and it won't continue working in the background. That's the power of Picsart's Resize Pro AI agent. In just a few clicks, you go from one folder of raw assets to a full set of platform-ready content, automatically, intelligently, and without touching a single export setting. Perfect for content creators, social media managers, and marketers who need to move fast and publish everywhere. Try it out, and I will see you in the next one.